Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to install products on Bitdefender. So first, on your dashboard, click Install Bitdefender Products. Now you can click the Total Security, Premium VPN or Secure Pass. The best is all of them. Just click on it and download. The download will start automatically for Security and Premium VPN. But for Secure Pass, click Install, Download, Install Chrome extension if you're using the Chrome. And I'll remove the extension for you just to show you. Click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Now wait a couple of seconds. And first, the extension, click this puzzle icon. Here you have extension. Click Bitdefender. Log in with Bitdefender. Here you need to type in your password. Next, and here your password, and sign in. Now create your master password. You will use this to unlock your vault when using Bitdefender Secure Pass. So here type in the password and retype the password. Save and continue. Now here you have your restore key. You can click to copy the recovery key and download as a PDF file. But that's it, the extension is unlocked now. So back to our downloaded two apps, and this one was just to show because I already had it download. Click on one, I agree, install, and it should be installed. The second one, oh yeah, it's downloading Bitdefender Security. Downloading the VPN. Yes, I confirm. Start the installation of the VPN. And start now. So you just installed the VPN, my devices, and that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.